Alright guys, so today is a huge day here. So I'm actually sitting at the cell phone lot at DIA, and my dad is flying in today so that we can start our journey across country. But what he doesn't know is that I'm picking him up from the airport in the Thunderbird. When we talked yesterday, I told him that, I'd gassed the car up and had everything ready to go. So I think he believes that since the car's gassed up and ready, that I'm not going to come pick him up in it. And this is going to be the very first time that he has ever seen the car. Like you guys, he's seen it, in pictures and video, but he's never seen it in person. We're going to surprise him here at the airport in just a minute. All right, we just got the text, so let's go pick him up. Up to the airport now. Let's see if we can find him and surprise him. Okay, all right, we ready? Yeah. Oh, this is sweet. So this is the longest drive that I've taken the car on. Really? Yeah. That's kind of one reason why I wanted to drive it today was I figure, we're heading across country tomorrow in it. Yeah. I should probably drive it more than about 20 miles at a time. So yeah, this was the longest that I've driven the car. I have to say, it's been kind of fun driving it. So I pulled the new car in the garage, and it's literally half the size of this one.
Oh, I'm sure.
Alright, so we're about to start the epic journey across the country with Dad in the 66 Thunderbird. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Well, we've hit our first hiccup already, so we're about 5 miles in, and the brakes, if you're just lightly pressing on the pedal, it's fine, but when you press down hard on it, the vacuum goes away. It's like it's got a leak in the assist. But as soon as you lift your foot back up, it comes back again.
Is that loose?
I don't know, I can't really tell.
No,
Not really.
not really. That's
on okay.
It's on the bar.
And we got brake fluid?
Just make sure.
So this just pops. Yep, got brake fluid.
No, I just think the assist is going away.
All right.
And take your foot off of it, and it builds vacuum again.
Okay.
It's no weird.
Well, we still have brakes, so we're not going to worry about it. We're going to keep going.
Absolutely.
I've made our first fuel stop. We're in Trinidad, Colorado. We've got 143 miles and 13 gallons. It's gonna be a long trip. We're on the way, and we're somewhere north of like Las Vegas, Nevada. Las Vegas, New Mexico. And the car started making horrendous racket, like valve ticking, sounded like a rod knocking. I mean, it was bad. And so we pulled into this little service station and let the engine cool off, and it looks like it's 2+ quarts of oil low. It's not smoking, and when we decided to go ahead and get some lunch, and came back, and there's a pool under the car, and it looks like it's blown out a rear main seal. So as long as we can keep oil in it, I think we're going to keep going. So fingers crossed that we're able to keep enough oil in it. 66. There's I-40 over there. Service station.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, little pump.
The Texas. Yeah.
There's the Cadillac Ranch. You can see that. And sadly, we're not going to stop this time. We're tired and hungry, and we're just going to go get some food. So this brings to close the first day. We made it about 500 miles, and we ended up foregoing the Cadillac Ranch. I mean, we were tired, we were hungry. So we're going to head over Big Texan, get some food, find a hotel, crash. We'll see y'all tomorrow.